So I've just checked into my room at Hilton Canopy in Cancun, and I'm just going to do a quick tour of my room. So the first thing you come in and you see is the bathroom. So the toilet is here, right next to the shower. And it's the full-size amenities here, with just a normal shower head. And then as you come into the main room bit, you've got the sink. With more of those amenities, your hairdryer, some tissues, and you've got some additional towels down here. And I quite like this little narrow cupboard just for hiding the iron and the ironing board. And then you've got this little, I guess, see-through wardrobe area where you can put your luggage, hang your clothes, access it from both sides. Got a laundry bag and blanket in this one, and an extra pillow in that one. And then your main room, which is very spacious. Got a little working desk with drawer here, upholstered chair, this little bedside table just for anything you might need, and some more drawers by the bed down here. And then this bit, you've got a little kit for water, ice, and just a little storage there. Your little tea station has a couple of pods, coffee mate, tea, some water, and then minibar to be stocked by yourself. Nice spacious seating area. I particularly like this little egg swing chair, although I feel like you might just fall out of it. And then the view is best at night for this one, I think. You get to see the little, or the big observation wheel there. And that's the room.
Subscribe to Culture Explorer to see the latest videos.